Good morning.
Good morning, Jake. You sound a little slow today. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. I just didn't sleep properly last night. My mind was too active.
Oh, were you thinking about something serious?
Mostly work and a little about my future. Sometimes I feel like I'm running, but I don't know where I'm going.
That's a deep thought early in the morning. But I understand you. I feel like that sometimes too.
Really? I thought you always had everything clear.
No, not at all. I just try to stay calm and take one step at a time.
That's something I need to learn. I always think too much about everything.
Overthinking can make simple things feel complicated.
Exactly. Even small problems feel big in my mind.
That happens when we don't give ourselves a break.
Yeah, I think I need a break. Maybe today I should slow down a bit.
That's a good idea. You don't have to solve everything in one day.
So, how did you sleep?
I slept well, actually. I listened to some soft music and just relaxed.
That sounds nice. I should try that tonight.
You should. It really helps your mind calm down.
Sometimes I forget how important rest is. I just keep working.
Work is important, but if you don't rest, your work quality will go down.
True, I noticed that. When I'm tired, I make more mistakes.
Exactly. Your body and mind need balance.
What are your plans for today?
Nothing big. I just want to finish some tasks and maybe learn something new.
You always talk about learning. I like that about you.
Learning keeps life interesting. If we stop learning, life becomes boring.
That's true. I feel bored when I repeat the same routine every day.
Then change something small. Even a small change can make a big difference.
Like what?
Try a new habit, talk to new people, or learn a new skill.
I think I should start learning something. Maybe improve my communication.
That's a great idea. Communication is very important in life.
Sometimes I struggle to express my thoughts clearly.
That's okay. It improves with practice.
Yeah, I guess I need more practice.
You're already doing well. Just keep speaking. Don't worry about mistakes.
Thanks, Al. You always encourage me.
Because I believe in you.
That means a lot to me.
Good. You should always surround yourself with people who support you.
True. Negative people can really affect your mood.
Yes, they can bring your energy down.
I used to listen to people who doubted me. It made me feel weak.
That happens, but now you know better.
Yeah, now I try to focus on positive things.
That's the right mindset.
Do you ever feel tired of everything?
Sometimes, yes. Life can be overwhelming.
What do you do in those moments?
I take a break, breathe deeply, and remind myself that everything will be okay.
That's simple but powerful.
Simple things are often the most powerful.
Talking to you makes me feel relaxed.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think I needed this conversation today.
Me too. Sometimes we just need someone to listen.
Let's go out for a walk later.
Sure, that sounds refreshing.
I love walking when the weather's nice.
Same here. It helps clear my thoughts.
Do you believe everything happens for a reason?
Yes, I do. Even bad experiences teach us something.
That's true. I learned a lot from my mistakes.
Mistakes are part of growth.
Earlier, I used to feel bad about my mistakes.
That's normal, but now you understand them better.
Yes, now I try to learn from them instead of feeling sad.
That's a strong mindset.
Sometimes I compare myself with others.
That's very common, but it's not healthy.
I know, but it's hard to stop.
Just remember, everyone has a different journey.
That's true. I should focus on my own path.
Exactly. Your progress is what matters.
What is your biggest dream?
I want to become independent and live a peaceful life.
That's a beautiful dream.
What about you?
I want stability, a good job, financial freedom, and happiness.
Those are great goals.
I'm trying to improve myself every day.
That's the best thing you can do.
Sometimes progress feels slow.
Slow progress is still progress. Don't stop.
I like that line. I'll remember it.
Good.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Let's eat something.
Sure. What do you want?
Maybe something simple, like pasta or rice.
That sounds good.
Food always makes everything better.
Yes, food is happiness.
Today started badly, but now I feel much better.
That's because you changed your mindset.
And because I talked to you.
I'm glad I could help.
Thank you for always being there.
Always.
Do you think we will achieve our goals?
Yes, if we stay consistent and don't give up.
Consistency is hard sometimes.
It is, but it's the key to success.
I'll try to stay consistent from now on.
That's the spirit.
You inspire me a lot.
And you motivate me too.
That's good. We help each other grow.
Exactly. That's what true friendship is.
I'm really grateful for this friendship.
Me too.
Let's promise something.
Okay.
No matter what happens, we will always support each other.
Promise.
And we will keep improving ourselves every day.
Yes, step by step.
Even if things get difficult.
We won't give up.
Even if we feel tired.
We will rest, but not quit.
That's perfect.
Yes.
I feel peaceful now.
That's a good feeling.
Today was a good day after all.
Yes, sometimes the best days start badly.
That's true.
Life is full of surprises.
I'm glad I didn't give up on today.
And I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
Always remember, tough times don't last forever.
I'll remember that.
Good.
It's getting late now.
Yes, time goes fast when we talk.
Thank you again for everything.
You're always welcome.
Good night, Ale. Take care.
Good night, Jake. Sleep well and relax.
100 daily use English words. Simple meaning. Basic. Good, nice. Bad, not nice. Happy, feeling joy. Sad, feeling unhappy. Big, large. Small, little. Fast, quick. Slow, not fast. Easy, simple. Hard, difficult. New, recent. Old, not new. Right, correct. Wrong, incorrect. Open, not closed. Close, shut. Start, begin. Stop, end. Go, move. Come, move here. See, look. Say, speak. Make, create. Take, get. Give, offer. Actions. Eat, have food. Drink, have liquid. Sleep, rest. Wake, stop sleeping. Work, do job. Play, have fun. Learn, get knowledge. Teach, give knowledge. Read, look words. Write, create words. Walk, move slowly. Run, move fast. Talk, speak. Listen, hear carefully. Watch, look carefully. Help, assist. Try, attempt. Buy, purchase. Sell, give for money. Use, apply. Find, discover. Get, receive. Need, require. Want, desire. Call, contact. Feelings. Love, strong like. Like, enjoy. Hate, dislike. Think, use mind. Know, understand. Believe, trust. Feel, sense. Hope, wish. Fear, afraid. Enjoy, doing like. Worry, feel stress. Care, look after. Trust, believe. Doubt, unsure. Remember, recall. Forget, not remember. Decide, choose. Plan, arrange. Dream, imagine. Focus, concentrate. Improve, get better. Change, make different. Grow, develop. Relax, rest. Smile, show happiness. Daily life. Time, hours. Day, 24 hours. Night, dark time. Morning, early day. Evening, later day. Friend, close person. Family, relatives. Home, living place. Office, workplace. School, learning place. Food, eatable, water, drink, money, cash, job, work, goal, aim, success, win, problem, difficulty, solution, answer, idea, thought, chance, opportunity, result, outcome, reason, cause, answer, reply, question, ask, life, living.